And so we have made it to the barren Iceland of Aquilo. Now, honestly, not much is happening here. It is just a sea of ammonia and some ice chunks. I looked at the way to make science here on Aquilo, and it doesn't seem that complicated. But it does pose a very interesting logistical challenge because you have to get certain materials from other planets. For example, in the entire process, I need helium plates, which I need to import from Fulgora. And that raises the question, do I make several carriers that are just dedicated to transporting these things from from Fulgora to Aquilo? And I think I needed some stuff from Gleba as well. Like, do I do that? I do love the scenery here over on Aquilo, but I was a little bit worried about this part where it says that if you put heating pipes on the normal part, they will melt. For me, reading the will melt part meant that if I didn't put concrete on that particular part, at some point it would just melt into the water and that block or that square or that tile would completely disappear. But in the end, no matter how long I have my heat sinks on non-concreted parts of the ice, it never fully melted. And I did think that would be a kind of a fun mechanic here. But despite being scarce in basic resources and having to set up some kind of logistic network from the other planets, Aquilo, surprisingly, wasn't all that difficult to understand. So I don't know if I'm finally figuring out this game or if Aquilo just isn't that difficult to begin with. So do let me know, was Aquilo a challenge for you or was it just as easy as it was for me? I would love to hear your opinion.